Since ancient times, stories have been passed down for generations, tales of heroes, spirits, and nature's forces. Threads of traditions preserves these legends, keeping their wisdom alive. And so, the story begins. A long time ago in the Armenian highlands, people carved stones into the shapes of bulls and fishes. These stones, known as vishapakars, stood near rivers and springs, guarding the waters. Time is an old man, keeper of day and night, controlling light and darkness. With white hair, he sits high upon the mountain. In his hands, he holds a spool of threads, one white, one black, spinning day and night. The sun and the moon were siblings. One day, the moon told her brother that the evil eye had dimmed her beauty and filled her with sorrow. She asked him to blind anyone who dared to stare at her again. The sun agreed, shining so brightly that no one could gaze at her for too long, keeping her beauty safe. Fire and water were siblings who once quarreled over who was stronger and parted ways. One day, water visited fire. "Let's sit for a while and warm up," said Fire, the sister. Water, the brother, smiled and replied, "Then drink from me too and cool down." It is believed that every person is born under a star. Each person's star shines brightly, but when danger nears, it fades, warning of trials ahead. Long ago, giant brothers roamed the land, tightening the belts each morning and greeting each other with joy. But they grew lazy, their belts loosened, their greetings faded. Angered, the gods turned them into mountains, their belts into valleys, their tears into springs.